All right, so good morning. Welcome back to the daily vlog. So this is Haley's Christmas present. I recently taken up a passion project in woodworking, which to Haley is another hobby on a long, long list of hobbies. But on the plus side, this one really benefits her. So I started making this dresser. So right before Christmas, I started making this dresser for Haley. Unfortunately, because it was my very first project, I didn't get around to finishing it. But I bought all the tools and I've been converting the basement into a woodworking shop, which I know, to anyone that actually has a woodworking shop, this is just a garage. But we do have all the essentials: miter saw, table saw, circular saw, sander, and my personal favorite, the tool belt. How you doing? So I don't know how much progress we're gonna make today, but let's go to work. So I got a lot of cool presents for Christmas, but I think the miter saw is number one. The only problem is I don't have a table to mount it to. But what I do have is a whole bunch of wood. Let's see if we can make something. All right, so we got all 6 of the legs cut. So now I just gotta install them, reinforce them, and then make sure it's level. But now we gotta take a break. Haley's gonna cook some dinner, so we're gonna go watch G. All right, what's going on up here?
I got close it alone.
Where'd you go? Wait, tell me, come here.
Down.
You went to the playground?
Uh-huh.
What'd you play with?
I play toys.
You play with toys?
Let me have it.
You want a vlog?
Let me have that one.
Okay, here you go, hold it. Say, yo.
I want to have that one.
Okay, you can hold it, but you gotta look right here and you gotta say, yo.
Yo.
Say like and subscribe.
Say time.
What do you think, Haley?
Perfect.
All right, G, let me see you dunk it. Ready? Get the ball.
Okay.
Go dunk it. Close, try again.
Dunk it! Da-na-na, da-na-na.
Welcome back to the top 10. Oh, good shot, good shot.
I got it up high.
Hi, guys. Hi. Hi. Lance, show us. Whoa, whoa. Steal it, G, steal it. Pass it to Lance, G. Yeah, good throw, good throw. All right, Lance with the slam dunk. Let's see it. Yep, he's open. Wow, incredible. I feel like unfortunately most of these highlights are gonna end up on the not top 10. Literally, I film you for 15 minutes, 0 baskets made. I turn the camera on myself, immediately makes it. All right, G, redemption shot, let's see it.
Let me do that.
Oh, come on, come on.
The one.
Come on, Bear, dunk it in there. Yeah, let's go.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, now we're gonna dunk G.
Whoa, G.
Oh, take it with you.
Oh my, this is getting out of hand.
What is that?
What is going on in here? Let me see your beard. Yeah, that probably didn't taste too good. Do you say yo?
Yo.
That is a beautiful beard, buddy. Good job.
I got this on there.
You got a hair.
Good old bath time. Bear's in that post-vacation riot mode where he doesn't want to get back on his regular routine. Thankfully, bath time's helping us. Oh my goodness. Today's book, A Brave Little Tugboat. All right, Bear, you and those cars, get over here.
Get over cars.
Get over here, Cars. We're gonna read our book.
Daddy, beer.
Wait.
I want to sit right here.
Sit on my lap though for a second. It's cool. I just,
Tell me you have a 2-year-old.
I'll read the story to myself. It's cool. G, can you say good night?
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
It's upside down.
Oh, it was upside down? Oh, okay. Flip it over. Let me see you flip it. Oh, nice. Oh, now it's upside down. All right, I just want to brag on Elisa's cooking a little bit because this looks amazing. Yum. All right, tell us what it is, Elisa.
It is Tuscan ragu with kale.
Yum.
And made short ribs. Oh,
Short ribs. Dang. Well, it looks spectacular. All right, so G's in bed, and Lance has got me doing some of his PT exercises. On a scale of 1 to 10, I put myself at about a 1.5 for flexibility. Lance, where would you put yourself after all this?
Maybe like a 6.
A 6?
Or a 7.
A 6?
Still pretty inflexible.
Show me the ropes. Look right here, working out. Elisa's grinding. Win that Pokemon battle.
And now I'm gonna get stomped because you're filming it.
Yeah. Oh, super effective. Nice. All right, we did it. Good work, Lance.
Too easy.
I'm breathing harder than I thought I would. We're gonna sleep good tonight.